Assuming you're searching for Algorand cost expectations estimate for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Algorand Algo will go from here on out. We will examine the previous costs of Algorand Algo and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally inconceivable. Be that as it may, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. Algorand outline. Algorand is a public blockchain stage that was made to address versatility and security issues in other blockchain frameworks. It was established by Silvio Micali, a Turing Grant-winning PC researcher, and sent off in June 2019. The Algorand group comprises of experienced experts from different businesses, including blockchain, money, and network safety. A few vital elements of Algorand include versatility. Algorand utilizes an agreement calculation called unadulterated evidence of stake, PPOS, that permits it to deal with exchanges at a high throughput, making it reasonable for enormous scope applications. Security. Algorand is intended to be secure against assaults by noxious entertainers, incorporating those with critical registering power. Decentralization. Algorand is a decentralized stage, meaning it isn't constrained by any single substance. This guarantees that the organization is impervious to restriction and extortion. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Algorand is $0.11726 and Algo is presently positioned #60 in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of Algorand is 8,141,309 at 125 with a market cap of $1,405,173,403. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 345% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Algo with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. Algorand is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Algo is down to nearly 24.6% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could major areas of strength for have in any case. We don't imagine that it would a productive resource in present moment. Algorand Benefit Number Cruncher is a free device that permits you to quickly assess the exhibition of your Algo property by working out likely benefits and misfortunes in light of fluctuating business sector costs. Just enter the sum you have contributed, the purchasing cost, and the sell value, expense, and our Algo mini computer will wrap up. We foresee future Algorand cost expectations Algo figure by applying profound man-made reasoning helped specialized examination on the past value information of Algorand. We give a valiant effort to gather greatest verifiable information for the Algo coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Algorand market cap, Algorand volume, and scarcely any more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and need great profit from your speculations, make a point to peruse our expectations. Algorand value forecast outline. Our Algorand long-haul figure for 2050 proposes Algo, possibly running somewhere in the range of $164.03 and $190.72. Algorand Algo is expected to arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.4464 continuously 2025. The negative cost expectation for Algorand Algo in 2030 is $238, with a likely high of $286. The ongoing business sector cost of one Algorand is $0.726. There is potential for Algorand cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as high as $145.06 toward the finish of 2040. Algorand value forecast 2024. The cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $125.74 in 2024. The Algorand cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $128.41 with the typical exchanging cost of $126.50 all through 2024. Algorand value forecast 2025. Algorand cost is gauged to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $389.88 in 2025. According to our discoveries, the Algo cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $44.64 with the typical gauge cost of $44.21. Algo value conjecture for 2026. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Algo, in 2026 the cost of Algorand is determined to be at around a base worth of $5,609. The Algorand value worth can arrive at a limit of 0.69 with the typical exchanging worth of $5 and 15 in USD. Algorand Algo value forecast 2027. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Algo, in 2027 the cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $20.77. The Algo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $19,699 with the typical exchanging cost of $1,367. Algorand value expectation 2028. The cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at least worth of $0.14 in 2028. The Algorand cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.40 with a typical exchanging cost of $0.18 all through 2028. Algorand value expectation 2029. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2029 the cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $1.67. The Algo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.92 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.72. Algorand Algo value expectation 2030. The cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.38 in 2030. The Algorand cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $2.86 with a typical cost of $0.47 all through 2030. Algorand value conjecture 2031. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2031 the cost of Algorand is supposed to reach at least value worth of $3.42. The Algo cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $4.17 with the typical worth of $3.52. Algorand Algo value expectation 2032. The cost of one Algorand is supposed to reach at least degree of $5.07 in 2032. The Algo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $6.06 with the typical cost of $5.21 all through 2032. Algorand value expectation 2033. Algorand cost is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $7.66 in 2033. According to our discoveries, the Algo cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $8.82 with the typical gauge cost of $7.87. Algorand value estimate 2040. Associations and joint efforts with laid-out organizations or ventures can contribute altogether to standard acknowledgement. In view of our Algorand cost expectation in 2040, the base anticipated cost is $118.70 and can reach as high as $145.06 for the year 2040. It can exchange at a normal typical cost of $127.83. Algo value gauge for 2050. Inspecting authentic execution gives setting. However, it is essential to perceive that previous exhibition isn't demonstrative of future outcomes. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2050 the cost of Algorand is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $164.03.